Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi Redmi 13R and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, firstly from main menu we must navigate to the settings and now SIM cards and mobile networks. In it we pick SIM carrier plan settings and there the gear icon. Now data plan. And there we can set our data limit. Monthly data limit in gigabytes, megabytes, what you want, maybe 100 gigabytes. And there we can, when data plan is set up, show warming on warm and turn off mobile data. There we can set data usage warming level. And we can set it in percent, we have there, that's 75% is 75 gigabytes of our monthly data limit. Confirm by OK, and the last function is usage rest data. We can set the data rest data day. It can be first day of each month. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.